Today I'm making a chocolate peanut butter ice box cake. First I'm going to make the chocolate whipped cream, so in a bowl I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to mix that up until stiff peaks form and then put this in the fridge to use later. Next I'm going to make the chocolate pudding, so in a large bowl I'm going to add 1 family size of instant chocolate pudding mix. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Next I'm going to mix that up until the pudding thickens. Next I'm going to add 1/2 container of whipped topping and fold that in. Now I have an 8x8 pan. I'm going to add a layer of chocolate pudding on the bottom of the pan and spread it out. Next I have some peanut butter cookies. I'm going to dip each side in milk and then put it on top of the pudding layer, and then repeat the process with the rest of the cookies until I have one even layer. Then I'm going to add 1/2 of the chocolate whipped cream and spread that out. Next I chopped up some peanut butter cups. I'm going to sprinkle them on top. Then I'm going to sprinkle some peanuts. Next I'm going to drizzle some chocolate magic shell. Then I'm going to add the rest of the chocolate pudding and spread that out. Then I'm going to add another layer of milk-dipped peanut butter cookies. Next add the rest of the chocolate whipped cream and spread that out. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some more chopped up peanut butter cups, peanuts, and magic shell, and then cover this up and put this in the fridge for about 5 hours before serving. Here's an up close look at the chocolate peanut butter ice box cake.